In today's video, we're doing a spec comparison between the LG K40 and the LG K30. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap on the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Let's jump right in and take a look at the specs with last year's LG K30 and the new LG K40. So we always start with the software, and quite the upgrade. K40 has the latest Android 9 Pie software, whereas the LG K30 has 7.1 Nougat. So you're getting quite the upgrade when it comes to the new phone. When it comes to the screen size, you're getting a 5.7-inch HD plus display on the K40, basically 0.4 inches bigger than the K30, and also 0.4 inches bigger than the K20, because K20 and K30 had the same size screen. So we're finally getting a real upgrade in terms of screen size. When it comes to the camera, they both have a 13 megapixel rear camera and they both have a 5 megapixel front camera, but the K40 does have a flash on the front, so your selfies are going to be a lot brighter and your pictures in lower light are going to be a lot better because you have a legit flash on the front as well as the back. So definitely is a plus of the new K40. Internal memory, now this one is very interesting. So they both advertise that they have 32 gigs of internal storage. However, it's very important that you always read the spec sheets, because what you're going to find is that although it has a total of 32 gigs of internal storage, the operating system and pre-installed apps take up some of that space. So in actuality, the K30 actually has more space, because after you subtract the operating system and pre-installed apps, you get 23 gigs of internal storage as the user. So for pictures, video, apps, different things like that, you have 23 gigs. Unfortunately, on the K40, it's a pretty big drop off. You only get 17.9 gigs, which is almost half of that 32 gigs. So don't get too excited about the 32 gig number, because in actuality, you're really only getting 17.9 gigs. So for that reason, you are getting more storage, and the K30 does take it in the category of internal memory. When it comes to battery, the battery is basically the same. They're both non-removable batteries. The K40 is 2829 milliamps. The K30 is 2880. It's really, like, I think LG bumped it up slightly just so they could say it's a little bit better, but really it appears to be the same battery. So that is that. In terms of the processor, now you are getting more processing power on the K40, a 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor with 3 gigs of RAM, whereas K30 only had 1.4 gigahertz octa-core processor with 2 gigs of RAM. So you're getting a boost in RAM and a faster processor. So you're definitely going to see the difference in terms of the user experience and running things like games and things that require a lot of graphics and speed. When it comes to weight, K40 is also going to win in this category. Now, K30 did have a metal design and it was a much heavier phone. The K40 is only 5.1 ounces, so it's about 0.8 ounces lighter. So definitely gonna feel better in the hand because it won't be so heavy as the predecessor. Now when it comes to the extra features, there's not a ton you're gonna get here. They both have a fingerprint scanner, they both have facial recognition. The only real additional plus is that the K40 does have the front flash, so you do get something special and different in that, but that's it. There's not too much else that's really special and unique. But to be honest, it really doesn't matter, because you're getting that bigger screen, you're getting that better software, and you're getting a lighter phone. So I think it makes up for not being super flashy with just having a lot of upgraded hardware and specs. So anyway, guys, this has been the spec comparison between the LG K40 and the K30. Let us know in the comment section down below which one you would pick. Some people definitely want to go with the bells and whistles and the newer upgrades in terms of features. However, For some people, internal storage is very important, and it could be the reason why they choose not to make the upgrade. Let us know in the comment section down below. If you found the video helpful, hit that like button for us, favorite the video, and share it, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.